Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickBank marketplace settings for US affiliate campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure ClickBank marketplace settings for your US affiliate campaigns, first, log in to your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace tab located in the top menu. In the Marketplace section, you'll see a search bar. Use this search bar to find products that match your niche or interest. Select a product that you would like to promote. Click on the product title to view its details. Take a moment to check the product's gravity score. A higher gravity score indicates a popular product that is selling well. Scroll down to review the product description and affiliate resources. Make sure the product has adequate promotional materials available to support your campaign. Next, click on the Promote button associated with the product. This will open a pop-up window asking for your account nickname. Enter your ClickBank account nickname in the designated field. You can also customize the tracking ID for this specific campaign. This will help you monitor performance later on. Click the Create button to generate your unique affiliate link. Copy this link and save it for future use in your marketing efforts. Now, return to the dashboard and click on Account Settings. In your account settings, check that your payment information is accurate. This ensures you receive commissions promptly. Next, navigate to the Profile section. Make sure all your profile information is up to date, including your email address. This will ensure you receive important notifications and updates. Then, go to the Notifications section in Account Settings. Set your preferences for receiving notifications about sales and new products. This will keep you informed about your affiliate performance. Now, head over to the My Affiliate Tools section. This area has resources specifically designed for affiliates. Explore options like banners, email swipes, and promotional videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.